Man, if they can't hear, well, that's fucking tough titties, dude. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's see. Did it go live? All right, there we go. Well, anyway, let's get into this shit. You guys see this? Okay. So first off, as you can see, I have my little dancing pony right there. So if anybody wants to go ahead and look at Q, do some training over there, hold some, get some blocks. You got a little dancing girl there. There's our ref link. Okay. Okay. Now back to business. The other business. All right. How are we liking this move right now with Bitcoin? How are we liking it? Yeah, dude, it's pretty wild. No, it's funny because I caught a lot of people off guard. A lot of people off guard. But I'm just like, it looks like it was gonna go, and it's going. So let's go and try to pick this thing apart. See what it's doing. What? 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 Oh shit! What? Is it working? Oh, okay. So if everybody can hear everything, so it looks like it's working well. If you can hear on Twitter, that's great. You can hear on YouTube, that's great. Throw your comments in, and yeah, we'll look them up. If anybody wants to come in straight to the Discord, if you guys are hearing, go for it. The link is, I think, on my page. If not, ping me, and then I'll try to get you in there. So we're just coming live from our Discord. This is what we usually do on a daily, just trying to get us a little more out there, going live on Twitter and on YouTube. Okay, so guys, uh who's ready for a pullback? Who's ready for a pullback? Oh god, all right, here we go. Here we go with your fucking nonsense. Okay, so here's the dealio right here. We don't know if this is the high right here. I mean, it could be. I mean, as far as not like a higher than a top, this could be like, this is what I'm looking for. Really, is this our third wave move here? That's what I'm looking at. As an impulse, nice impulse. So if this, like, let's just say that this is like a one into a two, this is a three, right? If that's the three, and we're coming back for a four into a potential five like this, if that's what we're looking for here, all right, what are we gonna do? Gonna measure. Okay, so if this is the two into the three, where is a likely place of a pullback? And like I said, I can't say this is top yet. We haven't like made that. We don't know yet. But let's just go ahead and try to just throw it up there. Where is it likely to go if this is a four? Come on now, everybody. I'm trying to get everybody used to this. Yeah, right here, that 382. There you go. That's right, Mike. So right in the 382, 236. So again, right now we're totally projecting, right? That's what we do. But anywhere in here, 236, 382, that's a sweet spot for a potential four. Okay. I'm getting pictures sent from the baby. They take off from the house when I'm streaming. Okay. So boom. If we get up here, down here, and we end up holding this level, and you could come all the way down here to the 50, like that range that we were like drawing out. So if you come all the way down here, I'm gonna leave it at 382 for now, though. Anywhere in here, the what we're looking at is for us to go up here to like 119.5, and all the way up here to like 121.6 for a fifth wave extension there. And I mean, from there we can get a bigger pullback, but this is kind of what I'm looking at here. Ultimately, though, guys, I'd be looking for the pullback. I wouldn't be looking for too much of a pullback yet. Like, what? I mean, do you guys think it's like death if we come down here like 114.5? For some people's long, right? I mean, it kind of yeah, you're right. It's like that's kind of steep, and this is exactly where we say if you're going long, right, and you're super long, and you're just kind of like fuck, like you went degenerate, yeah, you might not like those pullbacks like that. So let me see. By chance, do you guys see the Twitter stream going or not? Okay. No, I'm on StreamYard here right now, so I'm doing like both right now. I just want to make sure that everybody can see the screen going, if it's locked up or not. No, it looks like it's moving. So, all right. Anyway, so if we get that pullback right in here, if we take that swing structure that we measured all the way, coming back in these areas is not like a big deal. So here you go. Ultimately, though, guys, I think we might just get this that 126 level. Anybody can take a wild guess why I think that? Right here. Measured move. Measured move. If we actually get a measured move out of this, we're already about 50% up the way there. Somebody speaking Turkish, man. Hello, Vlad. How are you, Vlad? Okay. Let me see if I can pop it. I like how you, yeah, you took that. Yeah, that's the best, right? Pullbacks. Yes, I hate to inform you. So again, I think this measured move is a big possibility. Also lines up with a 618 level here at 126. A lot of confluence there. But in addition to this, guys, when you look at the chart like this, do we have supply up here? Do we have liquidity to grab up here that would imply us to go higher? Do we have a lot of like supply up here right now? Hmm? No, we don't. We don't. We have orders there, but we don't have a lot of like supply to bring us back down, right? So ultimately, we need to kind of come back down here for the fuel to go higher. So welcome the pullback. So I mean, potentially add to the position. Okay. I think, like, again, I think we go higher, but I think a pullback is to be expected. And also, we don't know yet if this is the third here. We don't know that's a third, so we just got to keep our eye on it. We all good with that? Any, okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, anywhere from 114.5, 116.3 ish area. Yeah, this is money here to like for a re-entry to get up and over here to the higher side. Okay, let's go look at some shitterinos. And remember, like I just want to make sure that everybody understands this is not. We don't know if this is it yet. It looks good, but we can go higher now, and then we'll try to figure out that pivot. But we need a little bit more time. Okay. Oh, Corey, yeah, I saw that going. Let me see. Give me a second. I don't want to take this thing off. That measured move here. It's pretty sweet. For this one, I would start it here. Let me go ahead and just from here, I'd get it from there, from your trend right there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right. So this is what, like probably like a 200 or something like that, right? So here's the cool thing about it, right? The 382 to the 236, right, where we were calling it, right, for a potential 4-wave pullback. What does the rule say? If you break over the 175, what's likely to happen? You come revisit. So this is already leaving the mark of we're going higher kind of thing. Yeah. We good? Man. All right. I have it in Discord today too, so everybody can yap, but everybody's quiet, like they lost money or something. Not even Barrels is saying anything. Not even. Yeah. I don't want to. I don't want to say that. I'll say it later. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, what happened? Did you guys get a blank screen? You sure? On Twitter. Here, give me a second. I might have broken it. There you go. Okay, we're good. Okay. I'm trying to pull up all this stuff. Okay, let's go and look at some of these coins. This is a good this could be a possibility that we're gonna just see all coins run. That's what I want to search for. Because I know we're usually looking at like all coins kind of just going with in tandem with Bitcoin. But maybe this is the little reprieve that we need, or like, Bitcoin to chill out a bit, so that way we can get some alts to run. Yeah, how do we feel about that? Okay. Hmm. Okay, I was looking at yeah, I was looking at the 3 day. The 3 day, like, it's just you could see the bear div on it, like like pretty good right here. So even if we actually come up back up a little bit, you're probably gonna get smoked again on this thing. So it looks like we did get some. We're getting some nice action to the downside, giving a chance for some alts to run. So you see some alerts on IP. Okay, I will look at that. We'll look at that one. Okay, I like it. Let me see some of the things that we've been. All right, here's my daily shill. Okay, I'm more like my hourly shill. Hey, if you guys like legit, if you guys participated in the Aura wallet, you guys are doing pretty good. I don't want to show it because I'm not like that. I don't like showing what's in the wallet, but it's more. That's pretty good. It's kind of a nice chunk more. So whoever participated, what? Oh, stop, dude. I'm be honest. I I was trying to do the anti Jeep mechanics, so it's working. Yeah, everybody's like, oh my god, I gotta sell everyone down a little bit. I'm like, yeah, whatever. Just fucking grow a pair. Fucking eat some of this downside, dude. It's okay. You'll be all right. Okay. The only reason I want to sell any of that shit is to just to get blocks from fucking Cube or whatever. If that shit doesn't bring like hookers and cocaine from Cube, dude, I don't know if I want to do it anymore. Okay. Oh, oh, I want in, please. Oh man, we closed that off a while. We closed it off a while ago. So yeah, whoever was in, because it is work to manage. So we closed it off a while ago. But yes, with Aura, this is just straight up, guys. We got like half of the golden pocket, but then some person that likes profit. Can you imagine that? They like profit. They sold kind of hard into it, but we're actually trying to come back in here, which the longer that we can hang out in here above 14.7, we want to stay in here to get that golden pocket and create maybe an order block here. And then that's once we cross this level, like legit, once we cross that 16.3, you're going to get the gas pedal. Come on, like look at this thing. Have we seen any impulses yet? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So again, this triangle here, you had your bull div right there, started getting picked up. So technically, what I'm getting at is that you still don't have like a pretty awesome impulse. Like this one, you had it, came back down, started going, but you haven't seen one of these go yet. An impulse like that. And I think that that's what's actually brewing right now. So let's see. Let's go look at some of the RSI arenos and all that. Let me see. A little bit of a div on the MACD there. Okay, 4-hour time frame. You see the participation of bigger money coming in, giving us those spikes there. Let's see. Same on the 6. 8-hour. You're starting to see the participation. The momentum oscillator looks better up here. Yeah, like you did the crossover. Like you're just starting the crossover right now for that momentum to start like really picking it, like getting picked up. So less people are buying here, less retail is buying. So this is more whale participation. So this is looking better on the higher time frames. Okay, sell pressure is declining here. Yeah, you want to see a little bit more of the participation here to be like more bricks and a little bit higher, but that's okay. It's a meme coin and it just really started to do its price expansion, so we're all right. Okay, let's see. 4-hour extend looks okay. Yeah, you don't want to see green up here. Yeah, you don't want to see green. You want to see the red bricks to pink bricks, and we're chilling. Okay, that's aura for you. Let's see. Anybody else? What's it? Oh, Scrags. There you go. The image finally came through. Yes. The walk, the aura walk. Let me see. Santos over here. I want an invite. Oh, you got it, buddy. You got it. Oh, look at the big frog, dude. Doesn't everybody like the big frog? Gentlemen or gentlewomen, it is with a great regret and displeasure to inform you that pullbacks are for the gays. Okay, all right. Who made that? All right. I love it that you guys like having fun. All right. Mm-hmm. Somebody wants to see that IP rat coin. Hold on. Oh, oh, oh. Well, no, I'm fucking driving half of the time. I had like meetings today, and I'm like, everybody's like, "You're in your car," and I'm like, "Yeah." Well, yeah. Fuck, always on the run. Let me see here. Mm. Yeah, thank you. No, what I'm gonna do later, I'll try to set up the YouTube so maybe there's a setting that I can change so it's clear because like it's crazy with StreamYard. I don't even have YouTube up right now, and it's just automatically doing it. And StreamYard isn't it? Got it. No, I'm dude. Any help that I can get, I'm about it because right now I have what is it, OBS running. So you guys just are in Discord today like we normally are. So everybody who's watching through Twitter or through YouTube are watching what the virtual cam from OBS. Let me see. But yeah, we'll get it together. Okay, so with IP, yeah, you got your breakout here. This is what you want to be looking at. Okay. Okay, so this is what you want to see, right? You want to see this like pull back and get another volume piston with volume to really confirm the breakout. Like it kind of sucks that you have this volume piston here and you choked at that pivot. But I mean, this is a nice move. But you want to see a little bit more you want to see it pull back again and then again follow through with volume. And this is like when you look at the higher time frames, like this is good. This confirms like the breakout of the trend here, the downtrend. You're good here. Yeah, you broke out of the downtrend. This piston here confirms that. So any little pullback or some sideways kind of accumulation, yeah. And then another piston, that's where you're gonna be like, kulos, very kulos. Yeah, this thing is what's up? This is probably gonna go higher. Okay, let's see. What's up, King? Really? Okay. Well, that's probably not what we want to be doing then. All right, Jux. We're not doing both. Let me see here. Let me see. Okay. Wow, fucking Roblox. Oh, that's an easy fix. Thank you. Hold on. There you go. That's done. Thank you. Okay. Anybody in Labubu got that target, that bear leg target? So 1618. If you guys are still interested in Labubu, this thing got punished. So there you go. Let me see. Working through it. Dude, Esbet. Anybody take it? Good. Me too. Me too. Uh, I told my girl to buy shit. She's like, no. I was like, just get some. And she's like, no. And then it started. It's been going. So she's like, fuck. I'm like, yeah, whatever. It's risky. Come on, this chart looks like crazy, right? I don't expect anybody to be like, yeah, let's go. This is a risky chart. But you have a good amount of like participation from bigger money, so I'm good with that. Okay, let's talk about Sonic a little bit. Okay, Sonic. Okay, look, we've been talking about it for a while now, right? With Sonic. Let me see here. Thank you, SB. Let me see. Kitty is sending Sensei in the chat. Okay, with Sonic, you guys can see this here, and I get all warm and fuzzy when Circle is basically retweeting Sonic. It's pretty dope, right? No, nobody likes that. I think so. We'll say ran pretty good too. What's up? What? Say? Oh, I don't know. Let's. Oh, let me finish with this one, and then we'll go to say. Now they did with say. They did it with circle. What is it with S too? Don't be blowing up my dreams, lad. I don't care if you're a say maxi, dude. It's only my bags are important. Okay, let me see. And if you bought say, dude, you're just like Quantum Leap. Let's see here. If you know the reference, I fucking love it. Okay, anyway, with Sonic, we need to get up here. We need to get up and over 40. And once we do that, we're styling. So this is what you want to see, okay? The increased right here push of bigger money. We broke out of this little range right here. If you want to just keep it really simple with patterns, boom, you're probably going to get the repeat of that trade right here. Boom, here, go up there, probably tag 40, and then I would be looking for a smaller pullback, another little one in here, and then you get the continuation. Yeah. This kind of is this right here, this move is pretty consistent with like the price action that we just kind of described with Quantum Leap. You are, yeah. Look in the mirror. Yeah. Okay. So considering that Bitcoin, let's just say it goes up a little bit more, you get a pullback and then you move higher. So do I think that this is where it's gonna choke out and die? No, I don't. Okay, but at the same time, this is starting to look better. Anything that we start really reclaiming of 62.59, dude, you're just in that trajectory to keep going higher. So this is good to see on the higher time frame. Okay, you see, look at this. All of that green right here now it's starting to disappear. So basically the coins have switched hands. Okay, this was all people buying the dip that kept dipping, buying the dip that kept dipping, and then now when they sold, boom, switch hands. So that's where you see these red bricks on the daily. It's looking favorable. Okay. Let's see. So that's here. I'll zoom it in for you. I'll zoom it in for you. You see it? I'm telling you, this guy over here. I don't know what Qatar is doing to you. Berzy, you're hot mic'd. Habibi. Berzy, you're hot mic'd. Boise, you hot mic'd. No, you're fine. I just didn't want you to we didn't want you to be caught, doing, pocket pool or anything. And then we hear like, oh, that'd be embarrassing. So you gotta make it wild. Okay, so there's S. Let's go to say now. It's rat coin. Yeah, doesn't look bad though. Yeah. Does anybody have like anything related like what Santos? You're asking me about like the ISBC atom stuff, dude. Bro, just sell it and buy something else, dude. That's it. Osmo and Kuji. Bro, like literally get your ledger and just fucking throw it in the oven. Okay, I'm just kidding. Hold on, we'll look at it. Yeah, anything atom related is like ooh. Let me see here. About whatever. Yeah, I'll tell you. You know what's funny? I have Osmo and Kuji. Remember, you had to do that fucking rigmarole to get the airdrop, so I have those coins. I just, dude, whatever. I don't even care if they go up like a bajillion X, then I'll be like, dude, I was wrong. But if they go up like 2X, I'm like, whatever, fucking piece of shit. Okay. Anyway, I'm a hater. I'll be happily a hater there. Like Barachain, right? Fucking Barachain sucks. Okay. It's gonna go up, but it sucks. That's like saying like FTT, the coin, like yeah, it has nothing. That what is? Stop it. Just agree with me that Barachain sucks. Just agree with me. It's gonna go up though. It's fine. I'm just being a hater because that's just like, yeah. See, Wyack knows. I have literal orders for FTT. It doesn't do goddamn nothing, and it's gonna go up too. Let me see. That's a secret play that I do, by the way. If anybody participates in that, just buy FTT when it goes to the lows, and just fucking. Then all of a sudden it does like a 70%. You're like, oh, nice, thank you very much. Yeah, listen, dude, I play that shit. Uh huh. There's little ones that you just park some money there and just leave it alone, and you're like, oh, nice. Okay, I'd rather have FTT than Osmo or fucking Kujibera or whatever. Okay, so say Santos, you hang out with Alan, huh? Is that the homie Alan Sanatos? No, not sure. That ain't your homie then. If it's, I thought Alan was one of your homies, but anyway. Something has been coming out for a while, dude. I like that guy. Let me see here. Would say, yeah, you're gonna get stopped at around 75 cents, I think, once you get that like legit breakout. And again, I would be paying like King, your hot mic, bro. You're just rubbing his fucking drumstick. You're walking the dog is what they call it. I thought it was choking the chicken. Walking the dog now. All right. Anyway, so with this thing right here, you got that like surge of volume, but you got choked out right here, right? So you want to see this actually break, hit the 382, hold 36 cents for the most part, 37, and from there kind of maybe move sideways a bit, like chop up this block, and then finally get that move to your golden pocket. But I mean, the like right here with this thing, where we're at, if the market, like I said, if it just remains bullish, what I think it is, the move here that I'd be looking for is like $1.14. That's a pretty nice move. Whoever asked Vlad, yeah, dude, you're gonna be rich, dude. Yeah, that's just keeping it simple. Yeah, I could see say going to your 114. If we get the whole golden ratio, that's gonna put us at about 177. And I would say this, guys, like with bull markets, dude, just I mean, if you were around for Solana and some of the coins hitting 80 billion market cap, that's a bull market all season for you. Crazy shit happens. And I think everybody's been beaten so hard with like the past few months with altcoins that everybody just kind of has like become conservative with some of the movements that we're probably looking at getting. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it could. I mean, technically from here, look, I mean, like just keeping it like real simple, right? Right here. If we just use these like LARP lines over here, right? And if you just measure, I'm doing just like the lazy measurement here. If you take the distance of like the opening of the triangle here and apply it to the breakout, that right there, yeah, look, it puts us right there, 114, 119, same shit. Yeah, there you go. Say looks good, and look at the momentum oscillator. Very nice little reclaim. So, yeah, this looks okay. Yeah, I mean, it's really funny because like there's a lot of different trenches all over the place. I mean, like even XRP memes and all that shit. So, and yeah, it's all over the place. So let's Yaka Finance. I think we were trying to farm an airdrop out of there. Okay. Okay. So again, with say this actually looks pretty good. Yeah. Keep your eyes on it, guys. Remember, pullbacks are part of this shit. Like, I mean, we're looking at a projection on a little bit of a higher time frame. Like right where we're at. If we start pulling back a little bit, look at it as like, opportunities to either add and or if you don't have any, maybe look at it, right? Maybe take a stab at it. Yeah. This would be nice if you can get a nice little, a little pullback over here. Um this actually might send. Yeah. You're probably gonna send to about 40 cents here. Yeah. You got your 236 at your front end. Yeah. So what? Oh. Yeah, I'm like, oh my god, dude, fucking leave me alone, please. I swear today has just been like nonstop talking. Like my fucking mouth hurts. Mm, yeah. My mouth hurts. Yeah. I was doing therapy with one of my clients, and I'm like, fuck, I can't even talk anymore. Just fucking yap about whatever you want. Leave me alone. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, 40 cents. That's why. Lovely, lovely. Okay, Farcoin Sailor has entered the room. Okay, dude, I don't look at SPX. Sorry, I have to gloat a little bit on this one because this thing's gonna. Yes, we'll look at Joe Coin. I'm pretty stoked about Joe Coin because somebody mentioned it on the timeline. I'm like, oh, Joe Coin. I know I have like a good amount of it somewhere. I gotta go get my kid's iPad because I know I have Joe Coin on it. I totally forgot. That thing has been moving pretty hard. When you told me, I was like, oh shit. That's probably worth a couple dollars now. Okay. Um Same thing with SPX. The daily is looking bullish. Yeah, looking bullish. Still with where it's at. Like if you get pullbacks, you want the pullback so you can get back in there. Let me see here. Yeah, I think this is gonna go up to 215 over $2 for SPX. Yeah. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. We nailed that chart, dude. We nailed Hyperliquid. We nailed Pengu. Dude, we got in before Luca bought. Remember when he dropped like a million or $4 million on it? Yeah, we got in before he did. Beautiful. Here, let me see. Mm, 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 mm. You guys. You guys. Okay, we're on our way, guys, with Fart Coin. Okay, you're in your high time frame impulse. So, boom. This is any entry, anything that you get down to 120 to like 114. That's that's probably a decent area to add. Yeah, 114, 115. Yeah, anything below that, you're okay. Yeah, you're fine. I mean, you got plenty of room actually for this to stay intact. But for it to like, I'd be looking like if you pull back and you get that 115 area, yeah, that's a good place. That's a good place to add. So that way we can ride that third wave impulse. That's the one that's gonna juice. Yep. Just like I said, everybody likes to go degenerate long and stuff like that, and like you don't have to. You don't have to. Don't give anything back to the market. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh, I coulda, shoulda, woulda, and oh man, if I would have just held it. If you got out with money, you're fucking doing all right. That's all I'm gonna say. If you round trip and you end up with this bull market without money, I'm just gonna say it. You fucked up. Yeah. Go to Home Depot. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to show aura again. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Boom. Shout out Home Depot. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Okay, guys. I mean, we see it here. What do we see? What do we see? Oh man. The inverse head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder Rooney pattern. Let's see if it's not as clean as I like them, but whatever. You guys see it, so boom, 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 boom. You don't like retesting here is fine. You really don't want to get much lower than like 153. Um, and 150. We don't want to lose 150. We're still cool if we got 150. We're still fine there. But as far as that's concerned, if you want to take your targets, for the most part, let's just do the conservative to like, let's just say that approximation of his neckline. You're looking at 203 from just this. And just kind of keep this in mind. You have that bigger move, right? That'll have us make that break of structure, probably pull back. And if the market continues to want to give more, horny chat, horny chat. Look at that. Golden pocket, boom. You're holding that 236 right now. So anywhere between 236 and like I said, the B pivot here, if you hit it again. So you do like maybe a 1-2, like a 1-2-1-2 into it. Bang. That should send you out. Yep. Get your harmonic here. You took your first stab, pull back, like I said, 1-2-1-2, boom, sends you out. Looks good. I like it. I like it. Mm-hmm. All right. What else do we want to see? All right. I'm gonna go look down the chat real quick. Oh yeah, I forgot Santos. I'm not gonna forget, dude. We're gonna go look at Kujirama and Osmodio or whatever it is. Osmo. Oh, I like it already. I like it already though. Just because it's a distressed chart here. Like, yeah, nobody wants this shit anymore. So, Santos, you're gonna do okay. God. Whew. You know what's crazy is that there's people out there that went all in on like Osmo, right? There's a community member that put all their money here. If that's you, Santos, dude, just tell me where you're at so I can come kick your ass. But yeah, mm-hmm. Oh, oh, painful. Dude. Well, I mean, here's the thing. I mean, to his credit, right? King, your hot mic. No, dude, he's over. He's over. Oh, yeah. You see, that's the problem, right? Is like when you do good on a trade, and then when it's going, and then you go back in with bigger risk. It's just, dude, it's not good. But I mean, with Blur, they had a good thesis, but everybody has a real good thesis until like they start like selling off, and investors just take profit. So that's the game, though. That's the game. It's fucking wild, man. Let's see. Well, yeah, we're over here longing fucking butthole coins and fart dust coins and all that. So it's crazy. Okay, so with Osmo Santos, I mean, I'd say that you're looking at probably like hitting these pivots here around 35 cents. I mean, that's legit for the most part, almost a 2x. So yeah, that's weird way to go out. Oh, because XRP is probably running, so XLM is running. Very good. The people that saw XRP running, anybody who's listening, if you see XRP running, you just run to XLM because that's usually the beta. It just starts chasing it. So like we were saying though, yeah, you probably get a 2x out of Osmo. I don't know what they're doing. All I just know is just the Cosmo like ecosystem coin. From my understanding, it could be more, but yeah, I don't put too much faith in these things. But I could be wrong. Don't listen to me. I have no DYOR on this, so this could be the next Bitcoin for all I know. Let me see. What's the other one that you wanted to see? Coochie. You want to see that Coochie? Oh man, Kuji there. Kujira. Oh, I remember now. Okay, we're gonna go to a different coin. Sorry. Yeah. We appreciate everybody who bought this coin and got the airdrop of, dude, what did you get? Dim or fucking dim some coin or whatever. Good job. They took your money and they probably ran with it. So there you go. Good job. Okay, we're gonna go to Ava. Ava. Wow, look at that. Ava. Reclaim. Let's go. I mean, we're gonna probably hit that 41 cents from here. 41 cent, you get the break, maybe up to 43. I want to see that and then come back a bit and then start moseying back along. Man, this chart is really fucking walked down and walked up, walked down, walked up. Amazing. Really. Wow. Can't even talk about Kuji and being shitty because look at this thing. Wow. Yeah. The higher time frame shows a nice one. So I mean, we're just gonna take the retrace from the previous. Yeah, this is good because this is the 236 you're reclaiming, right? So anything that you're messing around up there, you're really looking at 074 before you're gonna get really any kind of. Yeah, I could see an impulse building here. Yeah, soon at least. Yeah, this chart, just if you look at the way it's moving, I mean, yeah, I would call this a bear leg, but look at this whole thing. It just moves in these narrow channels, which honestly doesn't make me very comfortable with this kind of price action, right? But fuck, it is what it is. This is like probably like a couple wallets that talk to each other, and they're like, okay, let's just put the TWAP on. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, probably 1, 2, 3. Yeah, doesn't look bad though. You reclaimed a good place, so that's where I'm like, yeah, this looks all right. Yeah, probably gonna go higher. Nice. 3 up, 3 down. Farcoin we already talked about. That's already on the trajectory to the high side. Hyperino. Wow, guys, this chart makes me happy, honestly. So, taking the distance of the triangle, we're looking at a move to about 57. If you get anything back over here at around, what is it, 42, I would say even back to like the 40 level. And the way it's looking right now is a gift. Yeah, you got a nice brontosaurus neck right here with like a flag broke out with some conviction, and yeah, Not gonna be surprised to see this 5680 level. Let's just do like a regular retrace here. See what it gives us. 123 is going to give us that 50. And legit, guys, this is a simple one. You don't have to put too much, thought into it. If it starts breaking over 49 bucks, looking at 82. Yeah, we'll take it out of log too, see what it gives us. Ooh. Should I show it, guys? Should I show it? Hmm? 4236. I'm personally, if that happens, I'm not gonna be surprised. Not at all. This puts us at 75, the conservative trade there. Yeah. So, yeah. Let me see. $60. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think it's much to think about. This is the place where, like I said, anywhere up here, retesting the high that it previously made. You already did it 1, 2 times. If you did it a third, cool, but I don't know if they're going to give it to you. So we'll see. Let's see if we look at RSI. This is kind of high, but you see how it just started jamming with a whale participation. So yeah, even on this time frame, this looks good. 3 hour. Let me see. More, yeah, better participation here. Yeah, somebody put in blue chip. Yeah, I think blue chip is gonna do good. The histogram, you're almost starting to flip it on this side. So I don't necessarily like the divergence that you have here on Hyperliquid, but since it doesn't have a lot of actual like price history, you kind of have to go off of a little bit different stuff, which this right here shows it. You got a lot of like stronger movements. Okay, let's see XLM. We did hype Gore. Let's go look at Gore. Somebody asked me about ADM. Yeah, ADM. Look at that. This is what we're waiting for the breakout of this thing. Remember, we had said, hey, we're coming back to the mean. And I remember going, I'm gonna buy some. Well, I bought some. And I think some other people in here bought some. So good job. It's like the and then I got high. Let me see. Give me 1 second, people. Yes, we're good. I will. We can look at it again. Almost there. Sorry, guys. What are you doing? Looking at the woman in the chart for what? Alkuji? Yeah, dude. Okay. Which one? FTT. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Somebody did that for you. Ooh, stack. Nice. You guys are fast. Can you even see that stack? Somebody's talking shit about you, dude. Anyway. Look at that. Look at the screen. You can't see the screen? Yeah. Give me a sec. There you go. Okay, with 8. Oh, well, you guys are so fast. I can't believe it. Okay, with ADM, just keep it simple. You know, um, let's see. Dude, I love fucking talking trash to Stack, dude. He's a good sport. He's a good sport. Um, let's see. 68, 69 probably. I just kind of think that this thing's gonna go on a real run. I feel it in my plums. If you guys just do a little bit, that's what my jaw hurts. That's good. That's a good one for that. If you guys go ahead and just look at the stuff that's going on that they're gonna announce next week, I'd pay attention. Yeah, I kind of like if you guys got in on Tibber or on KTA and all that stuff. This thing has that like narrative of being like a level 3 virtual agent. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't even know what the fuck that means, but it's just what it is. Yeah, there's only two things that are level 3, and that's Tibber and I think this thing. So yeah, and this was stealth launch. So again, if you do your homework on this thing, I kind of think it's gonna be one of those that's gonna surprise people. No, they have some other shit even going on with XRP. Yeah, it's like to unlock some kind of liquidity or something like that. Do your homework. Like I said, I try to keep the timeline just kind of like just real basic, but yeah, there's a ton of information that's going on with it that, like I said, I'd hate for people not to have this one and it just starts fucking ripping. So I've held this one. I've just added to the bag. I think Jax. I told Jax, I'm like, bro, I just keep adding to this bag because I have a good feeling about it. And then I mean, like every time we like it runs, it sells off, and then it gets picked up right back. So, um, that's what I like to see in the coins that I fucking buy. What's up? Yeah, what is it? Oh man, that came up on the list for scams, by the way. Yeah, I mean, you haven't sold it, huh? Oh, fuck. Oh man, what the hell is this thing? What does it do? Dude, look at this. It just went up and then dude, look at that right there. Whoa, somebody hates you guys, dude. They said, no, I'm gonna take your money. Ha ha ha. And then somebody bought a big channel. Ha ha ha. No, go back down. Yeah. Fill that wick, guys. So I mean, there's obviously somebody that goes pretty hard into it to buy it, but then somebody's just like, haha, no, I'm gonna take your money. So watch yourself, dude. Hmm? Oh, the World Liberty dog, the people's dog, DG coin. God, man. People just fucking suck, dude. They'd be more clever. I'd like it more. Lol coin. I didn't say, but I bought this shit when it was at the low, so I'm kind of happy. So yeah, I was waiting for this one. I was waiting for the manipulation. So I bought some of this. I don't know how long I'm gonna hold it though. I think it has some abilities to go up higher, but I'll probably dust it once it starts hitting like maybe 2 mil market cap. Yeah, yeah, we'll see. You know, this is one that I bought, I traded it, and the reason why is I saw Suppleman in this thing, and that's why I'm like, oh, that rat's in it. He's gonna definitely sell. Let me see here. So just kind of ride the wave with that dude. So can you guys see stock chain right now? Okay. So like if I go over here, you look at like Suppleman. Yeah, I mean it's not that necessarily that he bought a whole bunch of it, but still still holding it, right? So no, you got look at that. You got Jay Pegler in there, Lexapro. I mean, I don't even know they hold it. No, you see all these people already fucking sold the fuck into it. Supplement's the only one holding it from this. Nice. Any DCAs on it? Some from a few days ago. Okay. So back to the chart. Okay. Mm, what do you mean? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Shit. That I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's probably the first part. Yeah, the research that they probably go on their public wallets. Yeah, like people there. It's a probably like public wallets, and people just chase them. So let me see. Okay, we were gonna go to Gore, right? You guys, say something. So I mean, I'm going down the chat right here. Why? Yes, we have to stop sometimes and do the things that are important. Okay. Let's see. What else did you guys want to see? Gore, right? Corey. Oh yeah, I saw Corey. Dude, there's been a lot of like heaters. I'm trying to not go spread too thin and be honest with you. Like if I spread thin, I'm just throwing a bunch of like small bets on shit that's bottomed out. But yeah. Oh, this is Gore, right? I didn't even realize that it got down so low. Yeah. Hmm. For there's Garbagios. What are Garbagios? It looks at 40 Garbagios. Nice, dude. So this is what I'm gonna look for with this thing, because this was probably raised up by the insiders, right? So now they're probably gonna run it back, but this is classic, right? Classic. Everybody dusted it. They're like, oh, that's bullshit. So this is accumulation here. So what I'm gonna expect out of this thing, this is like I think insiders from the foundation, so not from the foundation, but like the close, yeah. Okay, So this is what I'm looking at right now. If this continues to consolidate sideways, I'm be looking to pick it up around 13 to about 15. And if you actually get a reaction out of there, that's where I would be like boom, 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 come back here, and then comes out, starts coming back, and that's where I can see that coming back here. So yeah, that's what I am looking at. I'm not saying that this is gonna end here. It's more of like, yeah, you're probably gonna get that manipulation to the downside before you actually get picked up, because you have bag holders, right? And when you have bag holders, yeah, they're gonna see a big candle and they're gonna start selling into it. That's just the way it works. It's like you held it. I'm not saying you, but people, they held it from all the way down there, and they're like, "Fuck!" And then it does like a big candle. They're gonna be like, "Dude, I'm out." And then before you know it, yeah, that's sell pressure until somebody with big money comes and pushes it. So yeah, and then it leaves all the people that held it all the way to the bottom to basically get them out of the chart, and then they run it without them, and then they buy the high again, and then you know how that works. Okay, just use your smooth brain. That's what looks rare. Use your smooth brain, SB. Okay, so we're gonna look at Corey now. Let's look at Corey. All right, the family's coming back, and they're gonna be noisy because the baby is like fucking shitting himself or something. Wow. I know I walked in the house today, and then I just saw a naked baby on the floor, and I'm like, "Oh, look at that, it's a baby. Why are you naked?" Yeah. Hmm. Wow. Corey. Thirty-three. 33. I would say you're almost there. I would give yourself just a little bit more downside. Yeah, maybe a little bit more, but yeah, I think you're gonna get one more swing to the high. Yeah, I think this is a 50 mil market cap. Yeah, that's right. You gotta go. Hurry up. You got to go. All right. Yeah, I think you got 50 out of this thing, and then reassess. Let's go look at it over here. Yeah, let me know if I missed anything, because I'm not gonna go back and forth too much, because yeah, I'm probably gonna cut this soon. So Corey the Palm here. What's up? Oh yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So with Corey Palm, just looking at it, so you have Ansem holding like 155K of this. Let me see here. You have another person holding about 300K of this. So definitely like insider type wallets. Um, yeah, you're looking okay. I mean, usually when you have those people that are holding for a while, I mean, they tend to do okay. So it's kind of interesting because these are all probably like the people that just got in early, right? So you can already see that they all sold off already. Boom, 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 boom. The only people that stayed in is the guy who actually made this thing called his name's Antoine, the stock chain guy. He's holding this. You got Ansem holding this, and this whoever this risk person is holding it. Nice. Okay, let's go. No, you're fine, dude. Let's see. It just gives me ammo to start talking trash, so don't worry about it. Oh, bro, there you go. Frank the God was your KOL. Okay, let's go look at the chart though. Man, this. A ver, a ver, güey. Yeah, look at that though. Look, the profile looks decent. Yeah, and we haven't looked at this in a while, but yeah, there you go. Got that low, starting to break out of it. Yeah, I could see this happening for real. Yeah, nothing's changed. Yeah, this looks all right. Let me see. One guy says, "What's the next whiff?" Bonkai said, Aura is the next whiff." Hey, hey, everybody. That picture you sent me was it's funny. Huh? Player 222 from Squidward. Player 222. Yeah, it is. Let me see. Okay, we looked at Corey already. Okay, UFD, you're good. Um, let me see. Are you guys serious? Bong guy said that it's the next whiff. Aura. Oh, well, Vlad's over there commenting with his misleading statements. HNT. Okay. I was HNT bull, but yeah, I rotated. I rotated because utility just sucks. Utility hurt me. Let me see here. Yeah, I mean, I'd be looking at a move for like $5. Yeah, I mean, just it's kind of keeping it simple here. Yeah, I mean, it can go obviously a lot higher, but your first resistance is going to be at around 530. Continuing to get there, like you right here, you're going to get over 446. You have resistance at around 511. There's a pretty nice block right here at like 560. And if you can get over that reclaim and just consolidate there, then I can see that move going higher to break these highs. So as of right now, you're just, I'd watch it because you might be buying this and like holding it for a little bit to, move sideways where you can use that capital better. But if it's just something that you're holding and been holding it, I think you're fine. Let me see here. Okay. Let's see. Nah, he said it's a next whiff. Bro's jaw healed for a sec. Totally, dude. Let me see here. Corey. Oh, Corey the Palm is whiff type play. Got it. Okay. Let's see. Whiff next. Okay, let's look at whiff. Oh, dude, let me see here. Fucking whiff, dude. I bought this out of spite. Let's see. Yeah, I kind of think Whiff will have its run again. I think like $3. $3 is probably not a bad move. I think this thing's got a lot of bag holders. So like you remember, like if you get this nice move here, you're gonna have a lot of sell pressure up there. But again, reassess. Uh, I'd reassess this thing once it gets to about 250, which is a nice move. So yeah, that's nothing to laugh about. Like, yeah, that's a pretty cool move. You get up here to 250, hit these underside pivots here. Yeah, not bad. I mean, and that one's just keeping it simple. Let's see. Yeah, you definitely have more like bigger money participation in there. I don't like the way the RSI is moving too much here. But let me see. Let me look at the daily. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the RSI on this. I would like to see this pull back probably one more time. Yeah, probably pull back one more time. Like maybe tag like where are we at? 80 cents or something. 85 cents. Yeah. I believe you do that. Corey's the next whiff. Yeah, I believe it. I saw that a lot of insider wallets were in that. So, I mean, whether we like it or not, you know, insiders are the ones that move this shit around. So it's not our group chats. Okay, Zara AI. I have that's gonna be probably over here. Oh, pervert coins, dude. Ones that got girls. Ooh. Oh, did I get your stuff, Corey? Did I get your coin? Coin. Are you talking about coin like just Coinbase? Ah, gotcha. I thought there was a coin called Coin, like they just come up with random shit now. So I thought it was that. With Zara, I like it. The only thing is, I mean, if we're looking at it from like a wave structure, you probably you're probably due for some kind of a pullback. Let's see. Let's go look. Yeah, you see, you made a new high, and you're starting to make that low. You might flip up one more time before you actually start getting some pullback. So, yeah. Let me see. Coinbase. Look at that, guys. Boom. Hit the low. Starting to go. Okay. There's since we're like where we are on the chart, what we drew here. Yeah. As long as you're staying above this level here, 369. Yeah, for me, it's like, okay, it's just a matter of time before we hit 433, 453. That's going to be, sorry, let me readjust. 429, of course, or 450. Yeah, that's on its way. So there you go. Wow. Coinbase Arena. Okay. Juck's over there, dude. He just put his feet up on the lazy boy. Okay, let me see. CLSK, guys. CLSK, nice pullback, right? Oh, look at that, dude. Look at that. Right to the tick, 1350. So, with 1350, anytime that we break over that, it's nice to see because if we get over that, boom, you're going to get that move higher. You're like you're just doing the underside right here. So, you're going to have like your level boss right here at 18. But if you start seeing this like impulse, you get that move just to like break all the orders out, boom, you're likely to get over that 25 level. So a lot of stuff kind of dipped, but S&P is at 6250, ES 16300. Yeah, we're doing pretty good. Hood is still over, like still at the highs. Probably might go higher. Like I said, these are things that we're talking about that if you're in it, you're in it. I'm not gonna be telling people to start buying these premiums on this stuff. So it's kind of like it's a tough call, right? Let's see. Bonk is doing nice. It's nice doing this nice little pullback here. That's fine. You're probably gonna get one more high on Bonk before you start pulling down, though. It's already starting to show a little bit of weakness. So just kind of keep that in mind. If you're leveraged long, yeah, you're probably gonna you're already starting to see the weakness in it. So it'd be nice if this actually like dumped out, reset the RSI, and then we could keep going. We should see some nice put on pumps ICO. Yeah, yeah, it makes sense. That makes sense. People are gonna rotate and then lose their money on that fucking thing. So yeah, no, I mean, some people are gonna play the pump fund coin pretty good. Like, yeah, I'm not a hater. I kind of don't think it. I mean, I know everybody's kind of making a like this bearish thing. Uh, this is what I'm gonna say about that. For our markets to run, you need liquidity. And if that is a liquidity event and people actually get money, they're going to sprinkle it around the ecosystem. If everybody puts their money in that, and then everybody and the people that are like the early investors just take everybody's money, that's going to not probably be great. But if everybody's winning, that's a good thing. So just keep your eye out. I personally I'm gonna take a look at it, see what's going on. I'm not trying to go too aggressive with it because I just literally don't know. And I'm at that point, guys, where I like the market and that it's going and it's bullish, but I just don't want to give back. I don't want to give back to the market. Yeah, I just don't, and I don't want to get my nuts chopped going too hard on something like that, and then it's like, oh, you know. But anyway, that's just me. I like being conservative when we're at premiums. So let's see here. Let me go through a few things. Oh, Ethereum. Can't get away without Ethereum. Just yeah, I don't think that we're going higher here. Look at this. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You got your ABC down. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Bang. Okay. Now we're on our way. Yep. Probably retest. What is it? 2886. Anywhere down to 28 would be cool, so that we can get the distance of here till we get to about 3,400 or so and higher. This is just kind of keeping it, rational here. Yeah. I think we're going to go higher than that. Look at this. Yeah. The party's getting started. Yep. Okay. Let's see. Floki. Anybody got in Floki? I did take a little bit of profit off Floki. I think it still has gas, but I did take a little bit of profit. So I still have Floki though. Got to keep that one. Link or whatever. I have Link. That's like a stable coin. Ondo did a nice little comeback. Let's see. XRP. That's the one that I want to look at. Nice, dude. XRP is jamming. Yeah, it's jamming. XLM, there it goes. Dude, XLM was a cook. I know Jax told me that he got in on that one. We got in before it really took off. That was a fucking nice one. Tau looks good too. Yes, I agree. Tau looks good. Yeah. Yeah, you hit your head on the order blocks here, pulled back. This is the thing. Some of these like this, I wouldn't be surprised you get one more just downturn to go up, but I think this is enough. Legit. I think this is enough. If you start reclaiming what is it, 478? Yeah, we're looking real good if you can do that. Yeah, because you start getting trapped in these blocks. Really, all you want to do right here, I think you're looking fine. You want time and price above 400. As soon as you start just kind of building some prices in that 400 to 422, yeah, I think you consolidate enough, get some action, and go higher like that. Yeah, this is a pretty significant pivot here to reclaim, which we're doing right now. That looks good. Yeah, looks good, and then this is a higher time frame too. So yeah, not bad. Let me see. Oh, Sui. Yeah, I don't want to forget that one. I think Sui is one of those guys that is just. I think it has a lot of potential. I'm not all Mr. Oh, they have a new video game machine, and I'm gonna go to the bathroom and fucking play Mario Kart. I don't fucking care honestly. But I think that I think the coin's gonna go up quite a bit. So yeah, this looks good. I know is Molasses in here, or did he take off already? Oh, there he is. Yeah. Don't be playing your video game machine in the bathroom, okay? Your Sui one. What happened? Oh yeah, King bought like 4 of them, right? Oh, I was talking about the Sui video game machine that they have or whatever. Nice. Let's see. Dude, Sui's gonna go hard. So I mean, I wouldn't mind if this thing gets up there to about $9, $10. I kind of have a feeling it's gonna be higher than that. I have a feeling it's gonna be higher than that, but yeah. I here's the thing: a lot of Solana heads, when it comes to the like pushing a coin, I mean, how like if you look at Sol, right? It's already at at 100 and something, it's 200. And if that ecosystem, if they can get a low float piece of shit like this, like at $2 or whatever for $3, and run that up, yeah, I kind of have a feeling that they're gonna want to do that. So, and it's not. I mean, it works well. I mean, anybody who plays on Sui, yeah. So I'm more of the base asset kind of guy right now. I'm kind of just waiting for there to be a little bit of an excess of liquidity to start playing like the shitters on their chains. You know what I mean? So let the base asset go and then just, fart around on some of the other smaller coins. That's typically I've done it. And like, yeah, maybe I didn't catch the bottom of a meme coin, but I don't really care. I'm just trying to eat and get out alive. Let me see. Labubu got fucking drilled. Goodbye, Labubu. Let me see here. Until next time, Labubu face. Let me see here. Oh, Aura, nice. Farcoin, oh, nice. Let me see. Yeah, pay attention. Once you break 140 on Farcoin, it's gonna get a gas pedal. Yeah, this should be an interesting weekend. I'll see you guys later though. I'm gonna give the baby a shower, dude. It's dad time. Peace. Okay, so again, go to Cube, sign up, make some money on Cube, dude. It'd be nice.